Everyone, I'm Ivy and welcome to the channel. Today I'll be doing a review on this Damyang bamboo, and this is from Face Shop. It has 99% of bamboo extract from Damyang. So I got it from Nykaa. You can get it from Amazon, Nykaa, as well as it has few the Face Shop has few outlets in mall also nowadays. So I got I got in my hands after waiting a very long time. So I ordered it at Nykaa and it was out of stock. So I've been using it few days now, and I'm going to review this. And first I'll talk about the quantity as well as the packaging. So I really like the packaging. It is just like I'm holding a bamboo piece in my hand, and the quantity is 300 ml, which is priced for 349 rupees, and it is a very huge tub, you can see, and it is going to last very long time. Now talking about its fragrance as well as its texture. First I'll show you how it opens. You have to slide the lid and it is going to open, and it is having a inner lid which is securing that so that the gel does not comes out. So this is how it opens, and there is the product. And you have to take, I'll just show you. This is the kind of texture. It is having a gel consistency. As you can see, it is not too thick or not too watery, that you can see it is not sliding down my hand. So it is a very good consistency. So you have to apply wherever you feel like, dry or whenever. I apply it on my face as well as to my hair, so it gives my hair a very good shine, as well as it provides moisturization and shine to my hair, and it also controls my frizz. So this is the texture. And now I'll tell you about the fragrance. It is very refreshing, cooling and soothing fragrance, and it just feels like we are in between a nature. So it feels so soothing, and it has very natural scent. Now talking about few benefits of bamboo. We apply the bamboo extract. It helps you in providing you a proper moisturization to your skin or wherever you are applying it. So it helps you in, also it is very helpful in anti-aging also. If you apply this, you are not going to age fast. So these are the few benefits. And for hair, I have earlier told you, it removes your frizz as well as it gives moisturization, and it gives a little bit shine to your hair also. Now I'll talk about my experience. I've been using it for a few days, and I have a very oily to combo skin, which is on the other hand sensitive also, and it really breaks out whenever I try something new. So I was scared as well as excited about using this bamboo extract or bamboo gel, because I heard a very good reviews about bamboo and benefits also. So I went ahead and apply it for just 15 minutes, and it didn't even break out my skin. And I was just I just came out from sun, and I was having a little bit of redness and bumps. Whenever you come from sun, you have a little bit of redness as well as bumps. So it controlled that. I applied it on my face, a thick layer, and left it for 15 minutes and then washed it. My redness was gone, my unevenness of my skin was gone, and I have been using since like 15 days at regular. I'm using it, and it as a night pack. I apply it on after washing and toning my face. I apply it as a night sleeping pack, and apply it a thick layer and leave it overnight, and in morning my face is very hydrated as well as refreshed. It is just like soft as well. So I really find it great, and I would really recommend all of you to try it, because it is not on a costlier side, because it is a very big tub which is going to last a very long. So it is not on the pricier side, and there is a one con also in it because of the packaging, not for the gel packaging, because sometimes it feel unhygienic dipping my finger in it. So would be transferring it any pump bottle so that I don't feel that thing. And this was my review. I hope my video was helpful to you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.